My dear brothers and sisters, imagine you watch a movie, say, Sound of Music. Sino ba rito ang hindi pa nakapanood ng Sound of Music? No? It's a very popular musical made into a movie. Imagine that movie, and it ended in the Von Trapp family arrested by the Germans and killed in the concentration camp. End of the movie. Or imagine the Lord of the Rings, when it ended with Frodo not being able to throw the ring to the fire, and therefore the Middle Earth was not saved. O kung gusto nyo ng local, imagine nyo yung mga pelikula ni Fernando Po Jr. kung saan natapos ng bugbog sarado si Fernando. Napatay pa sa bandang huli. May narinig akong kwento, hindi ko alam kung totoo. Sa Mindanao daw, kapag pinapalabas yung pelikula ni Fernando Po Jr., at natatalo siya ng kalaban, yung mga Muslim na nanonood, binabaril yung screen. I don't know if that is true. But it is very difficult to imagine a movie ending with the kontrabida winning over the bida. We will go out of the movie houses kind of depressed because evil won over goodness. It's very hard to imagine that evil wins over goodness. And I think, my dear brothers and sisters, in this gospel, the message to us is very clear. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. Here in the gospel, we are being reminded that the light will overshadow darkness, that the light will triumph over darkness. Hindi ba't napakagandang katiyakan yon na sa mundo, sa buhay natin, maaaring pamisan-misan ay nagwawagi ang mga masasama. Maaaring pamisan-misan ang mga kurakot ay nagtatagumpay. Maaaring pamisan-misan ang kasalanan ay parang siyang nagwawagi. Pero binibigyan tayo ng katiyakan sa bandang huli, ang kagandahan, ang kabutihan, ang kapangyarihan ng Diyos, ang siya pa ring mananalo. In this gospel, we are being assured that evil will never have the upper hand, that the goodness of the Lord will always triumph. My dear sisters and brothers, as we are about to end the year, we have gone through so many experiences. Many times, sad ones. Some of you probably lost a loved one during this year. Probably some of you got sick seriously during this year. But here we are, given the opportunity to see the end of the old year and the beginning of a new one. That is something that we should be grateful for, because at the end, the grace of the Lord overpowers all the tragedies in our lives. Sabi nga ang Diyos daw mahilig sa happy ending. Kaya kung ang nangyayari sa buhay nyo ay hindi pa happy, hindi pa rin yun ang ending. Umasa kayo na sa bandang huli, it will be a happy ending. Time is in the hands of God. Everything is in the hands of God. And we trust Him and we hope in Him that everything will turn out okay. Amen.